on, guys. For the main event tonight, we have 6 rounds of boxing. This is the first fight. Wait, may instructional time. Protect yourself at all times. Thumbs up and step back.
Yung patay, oh.
Wala, gusto makipag-selfie kanina.
Wala. Kasi nagsazone siya.
Wala, nasa zone eh.
Mamaya na after fight. Selfie rin kami mamaya.
Okay, first round. Action.
Salita ko yun.
Eman Bacosa wearing the white shorts with true.
Kondisyon yung dalawa. Kondisyon din yung nakablue. Uy! Heavy. Uy! Solid, ano? Solid. Bigat yung... Uy! Oh, shit! Ay, wala. Balance. Hindi counted yan. Oh shit. Gatling gun to the matrix. Ginapiss off lang nila lalo. He's fighting for his birthright. Eman Snow. Don't let them think that you're a bastard. Oh, solid sa Adrese, di ba? Solid din pag nakabuhay. I'm gonna review this later. Ang ganda ng laro. Gustong manakit. Masyadong libre yung ano niya, swing niya. Masyadong libre. Oh, na-open siya parate. May weather man ang ano niya.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Come on, don't make it short.